You Soviet Union person? Right? Soviet Union, right? I'm talking to you.
And what did you ask?
You're from the Soviet Union.
Yeah. Moldova was a part of Russia when Russia was Soviet Union, not Russia itself. Russia became after the Soviet Union collapsed. It's split in multiple countries. Moldova, Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan.
Hey, Constantinople is a very big word. How do you spell it?
Constantinople. C.
No, IT.
What?
Constantinople is a very big word. How do you spell it? IT.
This is what I was starting.
IT. How do you spell it? IT.
Ah, okay.
The Soviet Union's so silly. Can I see a brush, please?
We still won the war.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, and not because of money, because of the technologies. Do you want to know why?
Mhm.
Because of the power here and here.
I understand, you Russian, German, Soviet Union, fucking.
Money is good. I like it.
You might as well be Armenian too.
Armenia?
That's what I said.
Did you like the Turkish guy?
Yeah, he was alright.
Hmm?
He gave me the heebie-jeebies.
What is this?
Heebie-jeebies, exactly how it sounds.
Exactly what?
Exactly how it sounds, you numbnut. The heebie-jeebies, the freaks, the scaries, the scary vibes.
You were crazy.
Oh, I'm the crazy one? Okay. Yep, I'm the crazy one.
In a good way, honey.
Honey! Why fix your hair just to mess it back up? Right? Honey. Say honey.
Honey bunny.
Say it again.
Honey bunny.
Honey bunches of oats. Come on, honey bunny, let's go.